Hey guys, today we got like a bed extender, cargo slide by Cargo Ease. It's the CE 7548 C15. So it's 75 inches long, 48 inches wide. It's 1,500 pound capacity. Does have the tall sides on here, probably about 6-inch sides on the side. It's in decent shape. It's not all tore up. It looks really good. Raining a little bit on me. 1,500 pounds. It's a Cargo Ease, as you can see there. It does come with the bed mat made for it. It's not really tore up really bad. Like I said, it's in good shape. 1,500 pounds. The underside, it's got the mat on it, so the underside looks really nice. It's almost has no damage at all. I mean, it's almost like new underneath here. That side, we'll look at this side. It's got a little bit of raindrops on it because it's raining on me. That's about it. It has a handle here. You pull that handle, that allows this to pull back out of the truck bed. It does have a stop on it, right? Let me back up here to it. I missed it. There it is. So it has a stop there where it pulls out just a little bit if you just needed to get it basically to the end of your tailgate. Back here, the track for the frame there bolts down into the bed. And then you pull this again, and this will pull all the way out. If you leave it out, it'll pull all. You don't have to stop it at that first stop unless you wanted to. That'll pull it, well, 70% of the way out. So this part here would still be over the tailgate, essentially. Yeah, a little bit more. So you'd have to reach around the tailgate to get to this front section here. So this bolts down into the truck bed, like so. This framework stays in there. Then you just pull this back in here. Whoops. Pull this, slide that back in there. And then when you push that in there, and when it hits, it'll push all the way in. And then it locks it in place. It's Cargo Ease. It's made out of Canada, I believe. I believe they're made in Canada. So it's decent quality stuff. It doesn't like it's some cheap Chinese stuff. So there it is. It fits full size. It's 75 by 48, so that's going to fit most all your full size trucks. 6.5 foot beds, 6.5, 6.4s, and stuff like that. It's gonna fit most of your full size trucks. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, that all can be purchased from our website as well. So you can click that link, go to our website, put in the search bar what you're looking for, order it up, get it shipped right out to you right away. So as with all our truck caps, these are typically local pickup. This is something that if you wanted to pay for it, we would not pay that, but if you wanted to pay for that, that could be put on a skid. Oh, it's already on a skid. It could be put on a skid, and you could get it shipped truck freight. How cost effective that would be, don't know. But thanks for watching.